What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and I got an immaculate present today. I got my own FDL now. As you can see, lovely design out of ProjectFDL, including my logo for my Spam Squad. Please join the Discord. The link is in the description box below. But I want to talk about the FDL for a moment. This is an FDL-2X, and this is special because it's got rosewood filament. So this is actually 40% wood pulp, so it's actual rosewood in the PLA, which is just absolutely incredible. It gives an entire different feel to the handles than normal filament. It's actually a lot smoother, and it actually feels more like a regular wood grip, which is just absolutely incredible. As you can see, I am here at SENC 41, and I'm finally getting to play with this. Thanks, Carius. So, this is actually really special. They did some extra special things for me. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to show them on camera because it's really special in the firmware. However, the FDL itself has some amazing performance, so I'm going to just fire down here. It's on a 2-round burst. A lot of things are very customizable on this, including your speed, your rate of fire, your minimum and maximum startup speeds, because brushless flywheel motors have a speed controller built in. It's super cool and super awesome that I can just sit here and pull the trigger, and 2 darts, you'll never see them again. Let me actually bump this all the way up to 100, and if we go and look out this way toward the field, we've got it pumped all the way up, and we had one whirly bird there. However, I'm going to set this from a 3-round burst to full auto, and I have a 35-round drum here. The spray is just going to be incredible. Really, the blaster is firing darts faster than my spring can actually push darts into the flywheels, which is just absolutely insane to me. This blaster is absolutely incredible, and they of course match my colors very well. The gold is super accented. The other really cool thing about this blaster is that you can actually preset different configurations. So if you know that you're going, say, to a lovely little event called End War, you can actually preset your blaster ahead of time to be underneath the FPS cap and actually save that as a preset. So you can always go back to it later. You actually have up to 3 profiles that you can save. Now, I've already saved a profile for my standard 2-round burst. However,
guys, that was the last round of play. However, there is still
obviously we are wrapping up here today, but this is just incredible. The presets are amazing that you can actually go in and set from full auto to 3-round burst to 2-round burst to a single shot semi-automatic. And the new extended mag release is just incredible. It actually provides me that ambidextrous feel that I need because I'm a filthy southpaw. I'm a lefty. Things are a little different for me whenever I'm pulling in ammunition from either my musette bags or my actual ammo holders. So it's a little bit more difficult for me, usually because I'm honestly rolling through ammunition differently and playing differently than most other people. Like, for example, on the Sith blaster, the Cassian Andor blaster that it's based off of only has a right-handed mag release. So I actually have to roll my thumb all the way up, hit that mag release in order to drop my magazine. It's insane, I know, but this means that I can actually reload much faster and not have to worry about it. I absolutely love it. They decided to give me the extended barrel, which I love. This actual front handle is super easy to control, and I absolutely love it. Profile. I just can't say enough awesome things about this because they totally blew me away. I had a birthday a couple of days ago, wasn't feeling too hot about it. I was stuck in a foreign country, and this is just the most thoughtful gift I think I could ever possibly get. I want to thank Project FDL. I want to thank my SENC fam, and of course, Spam Squad. Gotta love my Spam Squad fam. And I would like you to, come over to the SENC Facebook group. If you go group/SE Nerf Club, you will be able to find them on Facebook. Links will be down in the description box below. Now, also, please, again, join my Discord. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like. Just leave me a comment. Stay steamy, my friends.